Hi, welcome to Nichecraft. My name is Kassi and I'm your host, and today is Mystery Box Monday and I am so excited to share a Kramer mystery box with you. That's right, I've got a 10-pound Kramer mystery box right here on the floor. You can't see it, but I'll be taking things out of it. And there was just a few things that I wanted to show you and talk to you about before I begin. So first, if you are a subscriber, welcome back. And if you're new, I hope you enjoy this video. And I just want to say, you guys, just want to make sure everybody knows there is a giveaway. I'll remind you again at the end of the video though, okay, because we've got a mystery box to open. You probably want to know what's in it. But anyway, so there's that. And then I just wanted to show you something beautiful that one of my friends and a subscriber sent to me. Now, this is a shawl. It's a shawl made with Lion Brand mandala in the colorway Centaur. And he designed this himself. He used another design as a kind of template to kind of go over, but then he designed it himself. And he does take commissions if you would like for him to make something for you. So I'll go ahead and leave his email in the description below. His name is Ray, and you're going to be amazed at how beautiful this is. Look at this stunning workmanship. It's just so beautiful, and I don't know if it's going to match what I'm wearing. Oh, it does. Oh, and look at it just feels so elegant, so wonderful. I'll do the thing that I like to do, like this. I like to wear them like this. And it's just, it feels so nice. And you can see just how beautiful that chevron stitch is that he made. Just wanted to, sorry. I'm still getting a little mixed up when I'm like trying to figure out, well, where's the camera? I know it's right there. I know that, but like for some reason I'm looking at my viewfinder, which is like that way, and here. Just look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Oh, it's just so absolutely gorgeous. And I mean, it's like every single stitch is exactly the same. I mean, there's like hardly any variation, if at all, with the stitches. So he's really, really good. And I just wanted to not only show my appreciation for it, because I really love it. And I mean, I love it. It smells good too. Oh my gosh. It smells so good. But also because he's a friend of mine, and I wanted to just give him some love, and I really appreciate that, Ray, if you're watching. Thank you. All right, guys, so you've seen Ray's beautiful shawl design, and now I'm going to open this mystery box from Kramer. So I actually got this mystery box from Kramer about a month ago, and in order to get a mystery box from Kramer, here's what you do. Follow their Facebook page. Make sure that you have a tab open at all times with the Kramer mystery box page on, and every so often just refresh it, and there might be some there. The Facebook page, they post when they have their mystery boxes in stock, okay? Something about Kramer Yarn Mystery Box, I call it like a clown car of yarn, is that they put so much yarn in the mystery box. Now, the I guess downside, if there's a downside, because seriously, it's like a ridiculous, amazing price, is that they mill their own yarn, and they have acrylics, cottons, and wool. Okay, and so if you are allergic to wool, you might end up with a box that has a lot of wool, or with things that have wool in them, because I do know that they sell a few blends. So the wool blends, you don't know. Now, there are certain tests you can do to figure out if something is wool or has wool in it or not. And I know that it involves just like taking a piece of the yarn and like lighting it on fire. I know that might sound weird, but like obviously the acrylic's gonna smell like kind of like plastic, and the wool smell like animal fibers, right? So there's that. But I just wanted to say that first. Also, I wanted to say that this is a company. Oh, I'm sorry, I bumped you. I keep doing that in my videos. I'm sorry. I wanted to say this is also the company that I get my undyed wool yarn from, which I really appreciate, because then I can do dyeing experiments, and I am almost ready to start my own colorways, but we have to see if there's any undyed yarn in this box first. Now, I do have a box of undyed yarn, so I still have some more, but all right. So thank you for your purchase. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. Wow. Okay. So this is something I've never seen before. Look at this. It's like a big chunky weight. Now, none of these are going to be labeled. I can smell, well, it smells like wool. It's a big chunky weight, you see? Size 5, definitely. I can't tell if it has wool in it, but it feels like it has wool in it. It actually feels like it has some alpaca in it. So I haven't ever gotten this. This is a really bright spring green. I love it. I really like that. It's cool. Guess what? Look at all of these undyed hanks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and it feels. Let me look at it a little bit closer and see. It looks like it's the exact same. It's the exact same kind and weight. Oh my gosh. Oh, I'm really excited. I could do so many dyeing with this. I was like, okay, so like when I ordered this, I was like, I hope that I get some, but I'm just going to assume that I'm not. So I won't get my hopes up too much, but like I actually got 6 hanks of it. That is so cool. And I ordered this, I think it was after I did my first dye video. So that is so cool. I am so happy that I got some undyed yarn, but I got more. I got more yarn. That's beautiful. I got 6 hanks of this kind of, I call this like a denim blue because it's kind of like an indigo blue. The way that, you know, denim is when it says it's going to be indigo. So we've got 3, 4, 5, 6. And then we have 3, 4, 5, 6 of this color, and this is a nice, it's kind of like a, it's not like a Crayola red, it's more like a, maybe like a brick red. And then I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of this color. So this is like a nice kind of taupe color. Now these don't have their the bands on them, right? But if I did something like this for Veterans Day, open to people in the United States as a giveaway, would you be okay with me putting in unbanded yarn in a giveaway? Let me know, because I'm thinking about putting this in along with some other yarn that a subscriber sent me. So she's going to be partially hosting that giveaway, and another subscriber gave me some more stuff for giveaways. So I'm like really excited. I'm really happy about this. Okay, so now we have some of this. I really think this is beautiful. It's this aqua yarn. It's mohair, and it has a halo. This is one of the ones that I can definitely identify on my own. It's just absolutely beautiful. Yeah. So I've got 3, 4, 5, 6 of these. I have a whole lot of this color though. So just wanted to mention that. Oh, I get this color a lot, but I'm not so upset about getting it because I was recently thinking, oh, I don't have as much of that as I used to. So this is, I believe, a acrylic cotton blend. Yeah, I'm pretty certain that it's an acrylic cotton blend. It feels like it has something else in it though. So don't take my word for it. But these, now I have a big bright light. You might even see it in my glasses. You see it in my glasses. I've got a big bright light up, but I don't know if this is really showing through that color. It is a deep, dark navy blue. So you might not be able to see that. And it is, I believe, at least a weight 3 there. I can always do the wraps per inch in order to figure that out. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, I made a video about it. So you might want to check out that video. So I got six of those, and I'm not done. I have one more. I got 6 of these, and I love this color. Oh, isn't that beautiful? It's a nice fall green, and it's made of the same material as this navy, so it feels, you'd be able to see this color a lot better. It feels like a very, very soft cotton acrylic blend. So again, I'm not quite certain if there's anything else in there or if I'm off and it might be a cotton wool blend, but I do think that there's cotton in this. It feels like it would be durable, but not scratchy at all. And so it could have something like alpaca in it, right? Because that doesn't have the lanolin in it. But whatever it is, it's really beautiful. I have a lot of it, so I could make something substantial with it. And I couldn't be more happy with my Kramer yarn mystery box, because seriously, that was a really, really good deal. So, bottom line, this is a really, really great deal. Let's go ahead and count this. I paid $53 for it. Now that's the price plus shipping to Arkansas. They ship based on where you are, and you do have to pay shipping for this. I think that the actual price of it was $37.50. That was the price of the mystery box, and then shipping is just added to that. Okay, so so I have got 6 of the navy blues. So we have got 6 here. Let's see if I can impress you with my multiple of 6s. And then we have 6 of these aquas. Okay, so we've got 12. We have 6 of this reddish, so we're going to call that 18. I think I got that right. We have 6 of these green ones. Could be cotton, probably is cotton, but a cotton blend. Okay, so that would be 24. Okay, and then we have 6 of this, what I call denim blue. I just made that up. I don't know what it's actually called, right? Okay, and so that would be 30. Okay, we got 6 of this color, like it's like a beige color. It's a very neutral, and so that would be 36. So I've already gotten more than $1 per skein. Okay, and I still have more. Okay, so that's 36. Oh, a red one didn't go in the box there. Okay, and then we had this interesting green one. That would be 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43. And what's really great about these is that I can practice more dyeing and make more videos about dyeing. And I'm talking about dyeing yarn, okay? Geez, it's Monday. We're not going to talk about anything that dark. But yeah, so I'm really excited about this because this represents not just some nice, really high quality wool yarn, but it also represents a blank canvas in which I can paint my inspiration on. And I'm really excited about this because I really, really want to make some more. So I'm just thrilled with my, with what I got. So you guys, thank you so much for watching this video to the end. I wanted to let you guys know to remember to enter to win the giveaway that I have going on right now if you haven't already. It's open to the US and Canada, so just know that when I get more subscribers, when I get more channel members, then I'll be able to open it up to more countries. Okay, I don't want you guys to think that I'm only going to be doing it for the US and Canada. I'm still kind of a small channel. I don't even have 2,000 subscribers. Maybe somebody could share my videos, right? I'm kidding, kind of. All right. So yeah, thanks for watching to the end. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. I hope that you are having a beautiful Monday or whatever day it is when you're watching this, and look for some more of my dyeing videos. I'm so excited. And I hope you're having a really wonderful day. And remember, my friend Ray's email is going to be in that description. So if you want to commission any kind of project from him, you'll be able to get a hold of him that way, okay? All right, I'll see you soon in another video. Bye for now.